Welcome to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video I'm excited to share a brand new update for you guys. We are calling it pounds. So this update is about you just do simple tasks and maybe do survey, then when you reach the minimum withdrawal you cash out your money. This one you are seeing here section, it will take you to the Chrome. You can choose to download it or how, but I'll advise you to log in with your Gmail so that you will be getting access to your account anytime or information anytime. So I've already logged in. So if you log in, if you use the link on my bio, they are going to give you 0.361 cents. So as you can see here, each time the app need updating, you see something like this: update now to maximize your earnings. So if you come, this is how the interface of the app is. You see survey, offers, rewards, community, then profile. So this offer means the games you are going to play. Yes, this offer means the games you are going to play. So there are several type of games here. You see this one, if you click, they will take you to different type of app. You see this one, they have 4 stars, this one have 3 star, this one have 4 star, this one have 5 star. I will recommend you choose the one that have 5 star. So those ones are the one that people are doing and they are doing well. You understand, they are paying well. So if you see the one that have 5 star, that means it's very easy or people are getting reward faster on it. But you can choose and use the remaining ones, but these ones I think they are better. These ones with the 5 star, I think they are better. So if you come, this one is the survey. You can play survey and earn money on it. So you see there is no survey yet available. So this is the reward. You come to the reward here, they have type of reward. They have spend, they give it daily. Every day you come here and spend. So if and spin, if you have time. One is key card, lucky. I'm not advising you to buy it. We are just talking about the free money our way. So this spend, you click on spend. So there's what tell you come. I don't have. If you see anyone one lucky, you know that has this finger that something like that. So if you click on it, they will give you some questions. You answer the questions, then you will now continue playing your code. You see here there is no survey available. So that's how it is. For the community, you come on the community here. So you see, one thing I love about this, the minimum withdrawal is 3 USDT, sorry, 5 USD. But if you invite 2 friends, you can withdraw your money and even earn more. You see, if you invite friend, you will get $3. So imagine inviting 2 people or more than 2 people in a day. If you can invite 2 people in a day, every day you will be withdrawing on this update. Yes, if you can invite 2 people every day, you will be withdrawing on this update. You see here, this is the referral, my referral code. I'm going to leave it in the comment section. But if you don't use the referral link, that's why you use the referral code. But if you use the referral link, no need of you using the referral code. So let me show you where you are going to put the referral code. If you log in, you can share it. You see all these several places you can share it. Come on this profile, you see where they say redeem code. This place they are saying redeem code. This is where you put the referral code you copy from my comment section if you don't use the referral link. But if you use the referral link, no need. So you copy this, you copy that and paste it here, and then register on it and apply. Then click on this apply button you are seeing under. Once you put it, this apply button will show blue. This one, it will show blue. Then you will now click on apply. So your reward will go straight to your balance. So once you reach the minimum withdrawal, you can be able to withdraw your money. People have been cashing out on this update. So I mostly used to say one thing mostly in each of my video: you guys should be joining my WhatsApp community link. Yes, I'm saying that because if I drop update like this, some of you people will go at the time that they stop paying. So if you register by that time and you will not know whether they are paying or not, so you start wasting your time. Once you reach the minimum withdrawal, they will not pay you. Then you now come to my comment section and start saying it is fake, it's not paying, start saying it's doing this, it's doing that. Join my WhatsApp community link. You click the link in the video description and join my WhatsApp community, so that anytime the update is not paying, I will notify you guys there, so that you guys will know. Stop wasting your time and wait for another new update to show first. Yes, that's how it is. So you see this, you see share, I just start using it. I have not shared it, but before I start, I check it by myself and I see it's working. So it's because you don't see, maybe I have not withdraw, I have not refer anybody, you say that it's not worth it. No, it's worth it. If you come to this leaderboard here, these are the people that are making money on it by sharing. You see, congrats, you are this week number 7,992 on my leaderboard. The total score is 27. So you see, even me, I'm in the leaderboard. So I don't know. All I need to say is thank you. You see, share happiness on your social media. That's your link. Is the happiness they are talking about. You share it on your social media. You see, this one have 143. So you see, the number one has only 253. The number two has only 207. So if you can see, they are all doing well. People are doing well on it. So guys, make sure you stick to this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question and you have any issue, please do well and let me know in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible if I get to see your comment. So guys, don't forget, as I said in my other video, I said I will be start dropping AI update that is free. Yes, even if it is not free, you can access it for free without payment. And even if it is show watermark, I will tell you how to clean that watermark on your video and it will not affect your video. Yes, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Happy New Year in advance.